Richie. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go! Riri a gone with herself. She makes pregnancy look so good and easy. By the way, what do you think of her son's name? Is it Reza, RZA? Yeah, that. So, Spice held nothing back in her IG video directed at Erica Mena. Spice calls her fake and a lot more things we can't say here. I mean, Erica hasn't responded as yet, but I'm sure she will. So, if you're a rap fan, Lil Durk has challenged his longtime rival 6ix9ine to a boxing match in Dubai. Well, a Dubai hotel room. Winner gets 50 million. Could be a ploy because he's dropping his album, but who knows? I don't know. What's going on with TJ and Alex the jeweler from Boston? TJ issued a stern warning to the jeweler to get in touch with him right away. We hear it has something to do with a pendant, but we'll keep you posted. And finally holding the spot this week. Guess who was spotted taking a free kick during the Constant Spring football match? None other than Joshi. He always professed his love for football, so let's see where this goes. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment. Up next, Jazzalis bears her soul to San Jizzle. We zoom forward.